Alright, next video, here we are. I got a little bit sidetracked in the last video, so I'm going to try and keep this one more on topic. We covered text input and output simplicity last time. Here we have let answer equals prompt.question, please enter some text. This causes prompt.question to run, displaying this text here, and it assigns the result to the variable answer. And then it displays it. Well, that's fine and dandy, but here we have to learn one simple thing. Prompt.question always returns a string. That means if I were to run this program again, and I type nothing, it's an empty string. If I type 50, it's the string 50. You can't tell the difference between the string and the number, but I assure you it is a thing. Let me show you here. If I put this here in type of answer and then run the program, I type 50, it's a string. String meaning text. Any kind of text is a string. But we programmers use the word string because ancient conventions. Anyway, how do we get this to be a number? Well, we can't use math on strings. We can't add 50 and 50. If we do that, what we'll get, if we do that, is if we try and add a string and 50, we just get 50-50. Because when you add strings, you're combining them. That's not what we want. We want to be able to add them as numbers, and we want to be able to multiply them as numbers. So step one is taking the input and turning it into a number. We're going to coerce this string into a number by enclosing the prompt in the number function, which basically just tells JavaScript to do its darn best to turn whatever they type into a number. So now if I type this, and I type 50, it still prints it, because this is converting it back into a string. Confusing, right? Well, if I type of, it says number. Right there. And you'll recall in my first video that strings and numbers have different behavior. They're all these different objects have different methods attached. We can add strings. I mean, we can add numbers. We sure as heck can't add strings, not in the same way. So now we have our numbers. This is how you get numbers. The number function.